Hello, this is the notes for 7.2 similar figures. So in this section, we're going to have to look at some figures and see if they are similar or if they are just not similar. So just like we did with the triangles, the order here is important. So W with T, I with Y, and so on your exams, a lot of people looked at the picture instead of looking at the letters here. And that threw a lot of people off, and they ended up getting those wrong because of that. So once again, look here, not at the pictures. All right, this little squiggly line, this means similar. So angle W is going to be congruent to angle T because T is in the same place that W is. Not looking up here at the pictures and saying W and T. Angle L is going to be congruent to angle, it's second one from the end, so angle R. And angle O is at the end, so angle K. Same thing here, WI first and second, I and L, T and Y, so Y and R. T and Y, Y and R. All right, next, ILYR is equal to LK, and that's going to be RO. And then the last one, WI over IL is going to be congruent to TY over YR. So here we're talking about the angles, and here we're talking about the sides are proportional. All right, going through, looking at the angles. One tick mark, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4. So the angles are congruent. The sides, we got to look and see if they're proportional or not. So same position, same thing. This is between 2 and 1 tick marks. This one's between 2 and 1. So this is 6 over 3, which is going to reduce down to 2 over 1. This one is 8 over 4, which is going to reduce down to 2 over 1. This one is 4 over 2, 4 over 2, which is going to reduce down to 2 over 1. And 9 over 4.5, which is going to reduce down to 2 over 1. So the sides are proportional, so therefore the figure is similar. And so similar, and the ratio is going to be 2 to 1. Next one. The angles, 2 tick mark, 1 tick mark, and so on. So the angles are congruent. 30 over 18, which is going to reduce down. 3 goes into both of them. So 10 over 6, which are reduced down by 2. So 5 over 3. 60 over 36, which 6 are going to both of those, so 10 over 6, which will reduce down to 5 over 3. And 40 over 24. You need to check each one of these sides. One of them might work, but then the other one may not. So you need to check each side. So 4 going to both of these. 4 going into this 10 times, 4 goes in this 6 times, and that will reduce down to 5/3. All right, and so the sides are proportional, so therefore it is similar. And the similar ratio is going to be 5 to 3. Next one, angles are all congruent. We have something turned around here. Notice this is 1 tick mark and this is 2, but this is 2 tick marks and that's 3. So 1 and 2. So 20 is to 14. Make sure you watch out for that. 20 is to 14. So 2 goes into both of these. So that'll be 10 over 7. Next one. 30 is in between the 2 and 3. So 30's got to be in between the 2 and 3, so 21. So 30 over 21. 3 goes into both of those, so this is going to be 10 over 7. And then the last one would be 40 and 28. 4 goes into both of those, so that's 10 over 7.